what are the techniques used for creating game and which softwares we can use for creating game.
Games. Right. As I told you, the gaming development has evolved from the field of computing science. So basically, you need tools which are based again on C, C++, Java, and other languages, which are very fundamental to computing science. There are very specific tools pertaining to every platform, which could be desktops or mobile platforms that have evolved. For example, whenever you install games on Windows, you see a DirectX installation which is prompted. So DirectX is one engine and a tool to develop games for Windows PCs. On the similar lines, you have OpenGNES, that is Open Graphic Library, which is the DirectX equivalent on Linux platforms. As far as mobile platforms are concerned, most of the games are developed using C++, like in Nokia Symbian or an iPhone, whereas most of the majority of the games are developed on Java, like in your Symbian Nokia phones, Android phones, BlackBerry phones. These games are all based on Java. There's a third category of programming language and tools. If you're a frequent player of games on the browser, like Zapac.com, these games are usually made using Flash and ActionScript, as well as using other web programming languages. So there's a wide variety of the languages and the tools that the developer can choose based on his or her expertise, and can grow eventually into the area of gaming across PC, web browser, and mobile. Also to mention, Microsoft has released XNA SDK, that is Xbox Native Architecture, which uses its own proprietary language based on C++ to develop games for Xbox. So, sitting on your computer, you can download the XNA SDK and start creating games for Microsoft Xbox. So, you got PC, you got browser, you got mobile, as well as Xbox. So you can imagine how huge the scope for the developer can be.